Going to address a workman's comp issue in this edition of The Law and You. The guys are dressed up in their best sports jackets. Their attorneys, Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli, here at the Virtual Law Center. Welcome tonight.
I'll tell you what, we need a bucket of ice. It's hot. It is hot and sticky out.
To get you guys some cold water.
Yeah.
We fill the mugs here or something.
Know it.
All right, here's our question tonight, and this involves Miriam Bloomsburg. She says, I settled my workman's comp case about a way of a compromise and a release a few years ago. I'm still having problems, though, so can Mary reopen her case?
Nope. That's it.
That's simple.
Well,
you signed off on it.
I mean, you signed off. I mean, there's a compromise and release, the operative terminology, and that is a release. And what happens is there's a whole hearing. Right. You know, the judge goes through a whole question and answer session with you, and had to do that, you know, with you in settling your case, where you understood that this is, once you close it, that's it. You can't reopen it. So the release is pretty comprehensive. Yeah. So, I mean, the short, very simple answer is no. I mean, absent some type of, you know, fraud, you know, and really, I mean, we've never seen that in all the years we've been practicing.
The system is the workers' compensation system is very good at this. The judges do a really, really good job on making sure you understand what you're getting into. They go through the document. There's a hearing, you read, you sign, you initial.
There's a transcript of it.
Yeah, and I mean, the judges, they really do an excellent job. I have to be honest, like, we've done a zillion of them, and you know, they make sure they understand, and if you don't understand, if you haven't read it, the judge will stop the whole hearing, tell them to go outside and read it, go over it with them again. Excellent job. So I mean, and again, when you're entering into these legal situations, sometimes people do these without lawyers, but it's good to get that legal advice. The judge will, you know, does a great job, but these are very serious matters you're resolving by way of a compromise and release. Very serious.
You're giving up your rights.
Yes.
I mean, you know, when you settle a case, you're essentially saying, I am, you know, I'm settling it. I got my money, and you know, as a result, I'm giving up any further right to receive any additional compensation
or medical treatment.
Yep. So, and that's really why it's so important to make sure from day one, as we always say, call a lawyer and make sure that they're, you know, walking through this process with you in order to be able to understand it fully.
All right, results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, thanks so much. PAHomepage.com and the Law New Hotline are there for you.